Today we're diving into tip number 17, using intercutting to create nail-biting tension. This is one of the most powerful tools in your editing arsenal, and when you master it, you can truly control the emotional journey of your audience. So what exactly is intercutting? Simply put, it's alternating between two or more scenes that are happening at the same time, but in different locations. Think about classic thriller movies. You have the hero trying to defuse a bomb, and you're intercutting that with shots of the timer ticking down, or the villain watching gleefully from a hidden camera. Each cut back and forth amplifies the suspense. The audience knows something is about to happen, but they don't know exactly when or how. The key to effective intercutting for tension is pacing. At the beginning, you might let the scenes play out a little longer. Let's say we have scene A, where a character is lost in a dark forest, and scene B, where their friends are realizing they're missing and starting to worry. Initially, you might show 10 seconds of the forest scene, then cut to 10 seconds of the friends. This establishes the two parallel situations and introduces the initial problem. As the tension builds, you start to shorten the cuts. You go from 10 seconds to 5 seconds to 3 seconds, to maybe even just 1 second flashes between the two scenes. The rapid-fire cuts create a sense of frantic energy and urgency. The character in the forest hears a twig snap. Cut. The friends hear a strange noise on the phone call. Cut. A shadow moves behind the character in the woods. Cut. The friend's face drops in horror. This acceleration makes the audience's heart beat faster, mirroring the character's panic. Now let's look at a full example. Imagine a cooking competition. Our chef, let's call her Anna, has just 5 minutes left on the clock. That's our ticking time bomb. Our intercut scenes will be first, a close-up of Anna's stressed face as she meticulously plates her dish. Second, a shot of the clock ticking down relentlessly. Third, a shot of the judges looking impatient and tapping their fingers. And fourth, a wide shot of her competitor, who looks calm, confident, and is already finished. We start with longer cuts. Anna carefully places a garnish. Cut to the clock, 4:30. Cut to the judges. One of them whispers to the other. Cut to the competitor wiping his station clean. We're setting the stage, now let's crank it up. The clock hits the 1-minute mark. We accelerate. A drop of sauce falls on the plate. Cut. The clock, 45 seconds. Cut. A judge raises an eyebrow. Cut. Anna's hand is shaking slightly. Cut. The clock, 30 seconds. Cut. Close up on her competitor's smug smile. Cut. Back to Anna's eyes, wide with panic. The pace is getting faster and faster, almost dizzying. The audience is on the edge of their seat. Will she make it? The final 10 seconds are just a barrage of quick cuts. A close-up of her hand. The judge's stern face. The clock. A flash of her competitor. Her eyes. Her completed plate. She grabs the plate. She starts running to the front. She slams the plate down just as the buzzer sounds, and then silence. Hold on the shot, let the audience breathe. You've successfully used intercutting to create a moment of pure, unadulterated tension. This technique isn't just for thrillers or competitions. You can use it in documentaries, dramas, and even comedies to build anticipation. The next time you're editing, think about the parallel actions happening in your story. Identify your ticking clock, whether it's literal or metaphorical, and start intercutting. Play with the rhythm, accelerate the pace, and watch how it transforms a simple sequence into a heart-pounding experience. Thanks so much for watching tip number 17. I hope this helps you add a new layer of excitement to your edits. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the other 83 tips in this series. Drop a comment below and let me know how you've used intercutting in your own projects. Until next time, keep creating,